Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMI. In today's episode, I will teach you guys how to earn passive income by just putting your coins or your money into a platform only. Not doing anything, just put your coin there and then you will earn passive income. But first, you guys need to have a Huobi account, and if you guys don't have a Huobi account yet, I will put down at the link below. You guys can do a registration directly from the link below. So once you do the registration, you will get into this page. Let me go through a very quick go through with this Huobi website. What do they offer? They offer a lot of type of spot trading, such as trading boards and brokerage, which is considered a new type of spot trading. I won't be talking a lot about that. But by looking at here, you will see there are futures, coin margin swaps, and USDT margin swaps, and options also. So you can actually trade, you can do tradings right here, but usually I will do the tradings by using the USDT margin swap. Why USDT margin swap is because whenever you do a trading, whenever you gain a profit, you will gain the profit in USDT. Comparing to coin margin swap, let's say you are trading Bitcoin against USDT, and then you are gaining the profit, right? And then you want to sell out. So when you sell out the profit already, what you gain is Bitcoin instead of USDT. So why would I advise you to trade in the USDT swaps? Is because even though you are trading, let's say you are trading against Bitcoin, or you are using Bitcoin to trade against USDT. Okay, let's say if you earn some profits, the profits will be in USDT. Why USDT? Because USDT doesn't fluctuate. Okay, let's say you do a sell in Bitcoin and you earn profit in Bitcoin also, but in the end your Bitcoin value drops. So your profit earning is much more lesser comparing to USDT. I won't be explaining a lot about this today. So how do you want to earn passive income by just putting your coin in the platform? Okay, very easy. Go to the finance tab here. That is the earning button. So what you need to do is just click on the earning button, and you will see there is type of coins that you can stake. This earnings is much more for the proof of stakes coin, whereby proof of stakes doesn't need mining machines to mine coins. So there are a lot of sort of coins here, such as the features, which is a limited type offer. Okay, if it's sold out, then it's too bad for you. You cannot subscribe. But let's say if you want to go for the flexible, which is, let's say you have 1,000 Bitcoin, okay, example, and then you subscribe, right? Then your 1,000 Bitcoin will be locked inside this platform, and then it will generate the reward for you daily. But let's say if you feel like you had enough, or you wanted to sell your Bitcoin suddenly, you can unsubscribe anytime you want. As it's stated here, compounded daily and redeem anytime. Means you can redeem anytime, you can just unsubscribe this function anytime. Let's say if you want to just sell off your coin, or you want to do some tradings, or you want to do anything, or you want to withdraw out or whatsoever. So there are a lot of coins here, and this is the profits annual per year, not daily. There are people might think that it's like, oh, I'm earning 3% daily. Wow, that's a lot actually, to be honest. No, okay, too bad it's no. It's annual per year. So it has stated here, estimated annual per year, which is, this is the list, but it's good, you know. I mean, let's say you are not trading, or let's say you are holding a coin. Let's say you are holding Bitcoin for a longer term, hoping Bitcoin one day can reach 200,000 or 300,000 per coin. Let's say, I'll give you an example. So what you can do is you just store your coins inside this flexible earnings, and then you just store. Then every day you just get interest from it by doing nothing, which is considered a very passive income for you. Let's say if you're not selling, you're holding for long term. Okay, so there are a lot of coins that you can subscribe, but the only thing that you need to do is, let's say you want to stake a certain coin. Let's say you want to stake a file coin. What you need to do is you need to convert your coin into a file coin, then only you can subscribe the file coin. Okay, let's say what happens if I click the subscribe button. Okay, it asks me to verify KYC first. So once you click the subscribe button, usually they will pop up another screen. They will tell you how many coins that you want to stake. Okay, let's say you want to put 1,000 Bitcoin inside, then it will calculate for you the annual per year and the estimated daily profit and so on and so forth. Okay, let's say if you agree, then you just click subscribe. You can also turn off this auto transfer, whereby it will automatically transfer the profit to you, to your wallet. Okay, let's say if you don't want it, you want to be manually transferred, so you just untick this button. And there are also the last and not least is the under fix, which is only 1 USDT, which is this fix, they will give you a terms of number of days. Okay, let's say if you put in the coin, you can only take out after, let's say here written 90 days, for example. Then if you ask me, can you actually withdraw it out earlier? Let's say you want to suddenly want to have urgency to take this money out. You can actually take out any time, but whatever you earn within that few days or that few months, you will gain nothing. It's whatever interest that you gain from this fixed deposit, you will gain nothing until it reaches 90 days. Okay, let's say if you withdraw before 90 days, you will get nothing in the end. You just get back whatever you have without the profit. But if you withdraw after the 90 days, you will get the capital along with the profit. So actually it's a very good thing for you to have a fixed passive income. Let's say if you don't feel like having a mining machine generating Bitcoin for you because it costs so much electricity, so you can actually go into this Huobi platform and check it out. There are also dual currency investment and asset servicing, so you can go and check it out. I will put down the link below. It's a very good deal for you guys. Let's say if you want to keep coin long term. Okay, so I'll see you guys in next episode. If you like my episode, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next episode, and bye bye.